The second question is the timeline. Most of the time, it's a question, okay, if I start to renovate my bathroom, how many times it takes? Because Jason house, like bathroom, takes 6 months. Like Nargis house take 3 months. Every friends or family house, when they did renovation, there is not an exact same timeline. It's different, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months. But if you find a right contractor, a 3-piece bathroom job is 1 week job. We do finish since 3-4 years a 3-piece bathroom job in 5 to 6 days, but we mention in the agreement 1 to 2 weeks. But we complete the job in 1 week. A 3-piece bathroom job can be completed in a week if you choose the right person. If you go with a handyman, then the handyman is, for example, working in your bathroom a day, then he is going to another customer house, then he is going to another customer house because he has to. Handyman giving you really good price. You like the price, but you have to accept the timeline also if it is taking 3 months, 6 months. But technically, in my experience, a week is enough for a 3-piece bathroom. But if you have a 5-piece bathroom, like a freestanding tap, or for example, a dry sauna, or for example, a steam shower, of course it will take more time, but still it will be between 2 to 3 weeks. If you choose the right guys. Unfortunately, it's difficult, but it's possible because now here is Improve Canada. You can come here, you can find lots of contractors, you can find lots of good suppliers like Canaroma, best prices, really good quality materials. Okay, this was regarding the timeline.